Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to change the voice search language in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is up and running, you'll need to navigate to Google's Preferences page. In the address bar at the top, type in google.com/preferences and press enter. This will take you directly to the settings area where you can customize various Google features, including language options for voice search. Once you're on the Preferences page, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu with several options listed. Look for and click on Other Settings. This section contains additional configuration options that aren't immediately visible in the main settings area, and it's where you'll find the language controls you need. After clicking Other Settings, you'll see a new list of options appear. From this list, locate and click on Language and Region. This is the hub where all language-related settings are managed, including the language that Google uses for voice recognition and search results. It's important to access this specific section because it controls how Google interprets your voice commands and displays information. Now you'll see the Display Language option. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear showing all available languages. Select your preferred language from this list. This setting determines the primary language that Google will use when processing your voice searches, so choose the language you're most comfortable speaking and the one you want Google to recognize when you use voice input. Next, scroll down slightly until you find the Results Language Filter option. Click on this setting and once again, choose your preferred language from the drop-down menu that appears. This setting controls the language of the search results you'll see, ensuring that the content Google shows you matches the language you've selected for voice input. Having both settings aligned ensures a seamless experience when using voice search. And that's it. You've successfully configured Google Chrome to recognize and respond to voice searches in your preferred language. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.